Imagine a world untouched by the hands of time, where the rhythm of life dances to a primal beat. Welcome to the Serengeti, the cradle of life. Here, golden sunsets paint a canvas of silhouettes, as the Big Five, lion, leopard, rhinoceros, elephant, and buffalo, claim their reign. Witness the drama of survival, the thrill of the hunt, and the serenity of coexistence. Bask in the spectacle of the Great Migration, where millions of wildebeest and zebra traverse the plains in a timeless ritual. Behold the harmonious chaos, a testament to the circle of life. The Serengeti isn't just a place, it's an experience, a journey into the raw, untamed essence of our world. It's a call to the wild that stirs within us all. So answer the call, experience the Serengeti, embrace the wild. Remember, life's greatest adventures are waiting, where the wild things roam.